solid week here live in the Edgeful Discord. If you've got any questions, make sure to put in there as well. But we can go over my trade from yesterday. I had 2 trades long on YM. So the Dow, and pretty simple. The first hour was bullish. Okay, so with that opening candle continuation report on Edgeful. Okay, if we look at that opening candle continuation, very, very nice report that I enjoy using. Okay, we can go to YM. Okay, let's go to last 6 months. We got it on here, but we can see 74% for the longs to close as a bullish closing day. So with that, also price action, breaking the opening range high. We pulled back into this opening range low zone, the orb lows here. And for me, that was a great level of support. We're at pre-market lows. As you can see, we didn't take them out. And that just made me look for longs in continuation. So I got in here on that 5-minute closure. This is the 5-minute time frame at 7:51, call it 7:50. And I end up taking up here at 8:40. So 90 points of rise there. And then we held up. We trade quite choppy here for a good hour. But that still kept me interested in the longs. And I got long again here at 8:40 with my stop here at 7:40. And I end up getting out higher up there. So a nice day yesterday, taking 2 trades, both winners on YM. In terms of market action, price action today, I think obviously everyone knows we do have USD CPR. So I don't know what we could do. Could we flush lower? Could we move higher? We could do anything. So my thought process is going to be the same every single day. I'm going to look at pre-market levels. We have CPR coming into the open an hour before the open now at 8. It'll be at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. And I'm just going to take it one day at a time, like I usually do, right? Because we have high impact news, I'm really going to be, a little bit more cautious. Things could shake out, and we just need to be wary of that. So I would not be looking to take trades pre-market unless after CPR gives a nice level to trade off of. But right now we are trading above the previous day's highs, which is that white dotted line on NQ as well as ES2. We are trading above the previous day's highs. And YM. The DAX coming lower this morning, so that will be interesting. YM's been a little bit more volatile this morning, taking the highs, coming back down, and then back up right now. So CPR is going to be a massive, play on the cards right now today. So everyone's waiting for that. I'm going to be doing the same. In terms of my thought processes, again, I always look at pre-market levels. Are we taking out pre-market highs, pre-market lows? And then from there, I will see what we are doing. Is the opening range being taken out? Where we're trading in line with VWAP, price action? I try and keep my trading as simple as possible every single day. How's your guys' week been? In the chat here, I know some of the guys have been doing really, really well with some of the algos. But yeah, I hope that you guys have had a solid week. I'll be live in my trading room as usual. I took those trades on YM in my trading room as always. And then just be careful of guys, scammers in the Discord. I'm not going to message you privately, but I'll be in the Edgeful Discord the rest of the day. Again, CPR going to come out, let it play out, wait for the opening range to set, and I'll pick my spots from there. Any questions in the Discord chat right now? I like to keep these pre-market prep streams pretty simple. Just letting you guys know what's on the cards for the day and then going from there. Because obviously price action, I could say I like the longs, and then price action could shove down on CPR, and maybe we could be looking for shorts in continuation. Right now, I don't really have a read on the markets at the moment. I think, when was it? On Wednesday when I had the pre-market prep stream, I did say if we take out pre-market level lows, I would like the shorts in continuation. I shorted YM and NQ on that day. But of course, you could come in with a bias that you'd like to trade in. But then you always got to wait for what the markets do set up. Markets across the board now are sitting pretty comfortably. All the Mag 7 stocks are up except Tesla and Amazon. So we do look bullish across the board. But obviously, things could shake up after CPR. I'll leave you guys there if there's no questions. I'll be in the Edgeful chat the rest of the day, and then as well as on my live stream, as always. That's where I do trade live. And then we got some few exciting things that we're working on in the back end with Edgeful too. But yeah, here's my live stream over there. And then, we'll take it from there, guys. Have a good rest of the day.